Good morning students, as we are discussing the chapter 3rd, that is consumer equilibrium. So in previous videos we discussed about the meaning of consumer, then what about the consumer equilibrium. Okay, that we have given two approaches, cardinal approach and ordinal approach. So before going in the detail about the consumer equilibrium, there are some concepts that we are discussing like total utility, marginal utility, that also we talked in previous video. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the relation between TU and MU. It means relation between total utility and marginal utility. So what is total utility? As we already discussed, yes, total utility. Total utility means it is the sum total of utility derived from all the units of a commodity. Okay, all the units of a commodity. किसी भी commodity को कंज्यूम करके जो उसकी जितनी भी क्वांटिटी आप कंज्यूम कर रहे हो उससे जो आपको टोटल सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है, यूटिलिटी मिलती है, that is called total utility. For example, you are eating ice cream, so if you are consuming 1 unit, then you are getting 10 utility. You are consuming second units, then you are getting 19. That 9 is extra, but total utility will be 19. Okay, like this, it is total utility is the sum total of utility derived from all the units of a commodity. Okay, then marginal utility. Marginal utility means it is the additional consumption. It is the utility derived from additional consumption of a commodity. Okay, so if you are consuming 1 unit of ice cream, then you are getting 10 total utility. If you are consuming second unit, you are getting 19. So what will be the MU? First unit MU will be 10, or we can say blank of second. What is the formula of calculating MU? TU and minus 1. Okay, so TUN is our 19. 1 minus means previous unit, that is 10, equal to 9. Okay, so marginal utility is 9. Marginal utility means it is the additional consumption of a commodity. Okay, utility that you derive by consuming additional unit of a commodity. Now we will talk about the relation between TU and MU by diagram. Okay, so as table we have given, we have to draw the diagram on the basis of the table. So firstly we will see the table. Okay, so in table we have taken first units, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units of a commodity we have taken in the table. Then we have total utility. Total utility is 0 when we are consuming 0 units of a commodity. Okay, when we consume first unit of a commodity, then total utility is 8. When you consume second unit of a commodity, then total utility is 14. From the third unit, it is 18. From the third, it is 20. From the fifth unit, it is 20, and from the sixth, it is 18. So what we see, the total utility in the starting increasing. Okay, it is increasing here. Like here is the difference of 8, then 6, then 4. Then starting it is increasing at an increasing rate. Then it becomes maximum when it is 20, and from 5th unit also 20. And then after a point, total utility started decreasing. After a point, total utility is decreasing. Okay, we will see now marginal utility. Marginal utility of first is 0. Then second, when we are consuming 8, then marginal utility is 8. The second unit of consumption, then total utility is 14. And what is the formula of calculating MU? TUN minus 1. Okay, so TUN is 14 and TUN minus 1 means previous unit is 8. So it is equal to 6. Then next 18 minus 14. TUN is 18. TUN minus 1 is 14. So it is equal to 4. Then 20 minus 18, it is equal to 2. Then 20 minus 20, it is equal to 0. Then 18 minus 20, it is equal to minus 2. So here what we can see that firstly our TU is increasing, okay, then MU is decreasing, but when TU is maximum, then MU is 0, and when TU start decreasing, then MU start negative. Okay, why it happen? As when we consume more and more units of a commodity, then our marginal utility tends to decrease. Okay, जब आपको बहुत सारी भूख लगी है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो आप खाना खाना स्टार्ट करोगे तो जो सेटिस्फेक्शन स्टार्टिंग में आपको मिलेगा, जो फर्स्ट चपाती खा के जो सेटिस्फेक्शन आपको मिल रहा है, सेकंड थर्ड यूनिट आप चपाती की कंज्यूम करते जाओगे तो जो वो सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल है वो डाउन होता जाएगा. इट मीन्स जो आपके मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी है, जो कि एडिशनल यूनिट को कंज्यूम करके आपको मिल रही है, दैट टेंड्स टू डिक्रीज व्हेन वी कंज्यूम more and more units of a commodity. Okay, so now we will draw the diagram basis on this table. Here we will take on O axis and OY axis. Okay, and in this also we will take, so here we will show the TU, units of the commodity, here also units of the commodity. Okay, on O axis or here OY axis. Okay, here MU. So firstly we will see about TU. It started from the 0 from here. Okay, then with the units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units we are consuming. So we can see our TU is increasing. You can make this freehand like this. Okay, so TU firstly is increasing at increasing rate, then it become maximum here, like here it is 20. So it become maximum and then it start to decrease. Okay, then it started to decrease, like here after 20 it is 18. So the slope of the TU will be downward sloping. Okay, when it start decreasing. And what will be the slope of MU? So MU is our downward sloping. We can see it started from 864,202. Okay, so MU will be downward. Here we are showing units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we will show the MU units like 8 from here it is started 4, 2, 0. Okay, it will be 0 here and minus 2 here. Okay, so it started from the here, and when our TU is maximum, then our MU is 0. Okay, and this is also called point of saturation. Okay, point of saturation. Here our utility tends to decrease. After that point it start to become negative, not decrease. Okay, when we are consuming more units of a commodity like 1, 2, 3, 4, then a point came, you can see here our TU become maximum in the 5th unit, and when we consume the 6th unit, then our MU will be negative. Why? Because our total utility start decreasing. Okay, so what relation we exactly find between TU and MU? First we can say on the basis of table and diagram, both make the same sense. Okay, first we can see MU is the summation of TU is equal to, we can say TU, first relation is TU is equal to summation of MU. अगर हम mu को ऐड करेंगे तो ये हमारी tu आ जाएगी, ठीक है। लाइक here you can see first 8, then 8 plus 6 14, okay, then 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 0 20 and 20 minus 2 18. जब हम इसको एडअप करेंगे समीशन ऑफ टी mu is equal to tu, total utility. Second we can say when tu increase at increasing rate, mu decreasing, okay, mu decreasing. The third point we can say from the relation that when tu is maximum, mu is 0, okay. When tu is maximum, mu is equal to 0, okay. Fourth point we can say when tu is decreasing, tu start decreasing, mu become negative, mu become negative, okay. When tu start decreasing, mu become negative. When tu is the summation, first relation is tu is the summation of mu. जब हम mu को ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास tu आ जाएगा. Second, when tu is increasing at increasing rate, then mu is decreasing. When tu is maximum, mu is 0. Tu start decreasing, mu become negative, okay. So we find this relation from tu, total utility and marginal utility. Why marginal utility slope is downward sloping? Because when we consume more and more units of a commodity, okay, the total utility derived from the commodity tends to decrease, and because of that marginal utility start decreasing, okay. So students, watch the video and also read from your book and practice the table and diagram in your notebook. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.